Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E31 error and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E31 error is a drain timeout error, which means that when it's time for the machine to drain, it tries to drain and it gives itself a certain amount of time to do it. And if after that time is up it hasn't drained, it will give you this error. So to do this, you need to figure out why it's not draining. A couple of the main culprits for this are going to be the drainage hose behind the washing machine are clogged or pinched or kinked or something like that that's preventing water from getting out. If it's not that, another thing that it can be is the drain pump itself, which is going to be down here. What you want to do is just go in and you can access the drain pump and you'll see there's a little turbine and just see if there's anything like a button or any tissue or cloth that's come off your clothing and gotten in there and jammed it. And it could also be, if it's none of those things, it could also be actually that the drain pump is faulty. Maybe it's not spinning. If you don't hear it spin, then you might have to replace the drain pump. But anyway, that's what's going on with your washer. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.